Hey there, this is Katchy and we use it every single day in our house. I'm going to show you how it works. So Katchy is wonderful for catching fruit flies, mosquitoes, everyday house flies, any sort of bug that might be flying around in your house. And I know it sounds weird, but it works because you see what gets trapped down there. So I'm going to go ahead and push this right here. It's a little push and then this can come out. This has been in our house for just a few days now, so you can see just a few bugs. We've had it where this whole thing is filled. It's gross when that happens, but in the summertime, it happens. We keep our doors open more, and we have kombucha on tap, which attracts fruit flies, unfortunately. So easy to use, and then here's two modes at the top. There is a manual mode. You can hear that fan going, and then you see that beautiful blue purplish light. That brings the bugs on in, or you set it to auto. Auto just means that at nighttime, when the lights go down and it's dark, it will turn on and glow. This thing is amazing. We love our Katchy. It does a great job. I like how you can kind of see through and see what's happening on the inside, so you know when you need to replace the sticky thing. And those sticky things last a long time too. So if you need something to get the bugs out of your house, or you want to use this outside, go for it.